deed, one of the most things that it is so bad in the sight of Allah Azza wa Jal, so bad in Islam, that someone to go to spy and someone to go to try to find mistakes of his brothers and sisters in Islam. Wallahi, that's a great sin in the sight of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. And for what? In order to do what? To harm the others, to harm the Muslims, and to blackmail the Muslims, and to try to use it in their advantage in order to withdraw people and in order to put down the Muslims. Wal-iyadhu billah. And here, my brothers and sisters in Islam, here, those ones, and they try to hide from the people, showing the cloth of piety, where in fact that those are like spies against their own fellow Muslims. They're not spies for something which is, I will say, something which is good. It is actually, they try to find. They are just like the flies, not like the bees. They always find the nectar and the honey, which is they look for it. They're like the flies. They try to find the most filthy things to try to find it. And that's their sustain and that's their food. And those people, those individuals, they are exactly doing the same way. Wal-iyadhu billah. And Allah Azza wa Jal mentioned in the Quran about those ones who try to beautify themselves in the beauty of the clothing of Islam and the signs of Islam. And they are hiding hypocrisy. وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. And Allah Azza wa Jal stated in the Quran, يَسْتَخْفُونَ مِنَ النَّاسِ وَلَا يَسْتَخْفُونَ مِنَ اللَّهِ وهو معهم إذ يبيتون ما لا يرضى من القول وكان الله بما يعملون محيطا. That they try to hide from their people and they cannot be hiding from Allah Azza wa Jal. And He is with them where they are hiding things that doesn't please Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. And Allah Azza wa Jal has surrounded everything Tabaraka wa Ta'ala with His knowledge Tabaraka wa Ta'ala.